Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the Adampur Air Base in Punjab and he was briefed by the Air Force personnel and he also interacted with the Jawans there. So we had inputs coming in from our correspondent Akshay Dongre explaining to us the significance of this and also how is the current situation placed. At this point, we'll turn focus to Meghna Dev. She is from Bhuj and Meghna will talk about the situation there. Meghna, good afternoon. Now, we've been telling our viewers how situation is turning to normalcy in the border areas of the country, given the DGMO level talks yesterday that happened between India and Pakistan. That has somewhat instilled confidence in the people living in the border towns of the country. You're there in Bhuj. Get us what you witnessed there. How did the day begin today? How did the previous night go? Get us more on this.
Yes, Preeti, to begin with, what we see in Bhuj is what we saw probably a week ago, life back to normal. To begin with, we also did see that in the past few days, we generally saw the shops were closed. Businessmen were asked to, keep, not move around too much. People were asked to stay indoors. Blackouts, we did see air sirens and, things like that. But now, currently, what we see is that business is back to normal. We see people plying on the road. Though it is really hot in here, so people don't actually venture out too much in the afternoon. So that's the norm here generally in the afternoon, especially because Bhuj is one of the areas where it's really hot in the summers. But what we also see here is that economic activity has returned back to normal. When we actually talk about economic activity for this region, we are talking about the Kandla port and the Mundra port, which are functioning now. What we also saw in the past few days that the heavy vehicle activity which generally happens on the highways had reduced, but now I was moving around in the morning near the highway areas and the places which connect the highways to the further Gujarat and then further to Rajasthan. The highways are now, heavy vehicles are seen on the highways. We also do see that while the airport's functioning, but Air India and other airlines have currently cancelled their flights to and from Bhuj. But what we can expect is that in the next 24 hours, things will resume back to normal at the airport as well. But for that matter, what we also see is that not only businesses or the ports are working, now normally. We also did not see any kind of advisory that is out for civilians here in Kutch. Not only we are talking about Kutch, we are also talking about Banaskantha, Patan districts which share border with Pakistan. We are also talking about normalcy being returning back to Porbandar, to Jamnagar and these areas where there is a vast coastline that the Coast Guard, the Marine Police, the Navy is guarding. While there is a complete vigil at the borders, we did earlier see that the Nalia, Sir Creek and those areas did see some action. But after that, since yesterday we have not been hearing any kind of reports. We'll definitely have to see how the situation evolves, because it's still an evolving situation. But at the moment, everything is normal, and since yesterday also, things are normal. People are flying on the roads as usual, business is as usual, so lives definitely come back to normal, and there is no restriction in place from the administration and no advisory that has been issued. Besides, just one advisory here, till 15th of May, no drones are allowed to fly in Gujarat and no firecrackers to be bursted in Gujarat, because that sometimes creates a panic in the people because they mistake it, they probably confuse it for something else. So that is something, that kind of advisory still remains. No drone flying in events and functions till 15th of May and no firecrackers to be bursted till 15th of May in Gujarat. Rest everything is back to normal, no particular advisory for any civilian.
All right, Meghna, we'll leave it here. Thank you so much for joining in with those details.